Hare Krishna. Welcome to the series of lectures Brahmanda the Universe. This is the 24th lecture. We are meeting nearly after a year of time. Due to various reasons, we could not continue this. Many questions are coming, many doubts are coming for the world creations and the world existence and various measurements of the various parts of the worlds, various varshas, various oceans and etc. etc. It is really a welcome move from our young generation. Our young generation should know, even older generation also should know what are there explained in scriptures and what this our word, this scientific word is moving. So, one small question we wanted to clarify it. Before that, I hope that you might have gone through our earlier 23 series of lectures on this Brahmanda the Universe. Please go through if you have not gone through. It is available as a playlist in our YouTube channel itself. Please go through it, have a glance on that. So then it will be very easy for you to have some ideas, and also the questions also what answer is given, that also it will be very easy for you. Is Bhuloka, our mother earth, is really flat? A question arises. Definitely everybody knows this. Our mother earth is a oval shaped one, like all these planets, stars, etc. It is, and it is going through around our sun and moving around the sun and the solar year, this our year, 1 year in 375 days and so on and so on. It is having around our sun. So for this, it is definitely a oval shaped planet, and it is definitely not a flat and steady. And this our earth is moving. This flat earth is not moving. It is a steady. So like this clarifications, some of the students, our Vidyalaya are asking, let us have a discussion. Instead of clarification, we say it is a discussion. It is open discussion. This is common doubt is being waiting for clarification also. Yes, this is a doubt is to be clarified to some extent. As far as our ancient sayings, the earth, Bhuloka, is flat, definitely. Let us have a brief idea of Bhuloka, why it is flat. We should have. Already it has been explained in the previous lectures, but still here we have just a brief. Bhuloka is a plate of a thickness of 1 lakh yojana. The Bhuloka plate is floating on the Ghanodaka, the solidified great ocean. That we should know. It is floating on the solidified great ocean. Bhuloka is a plate. It is a plate of 1 lakh yojana. The Bhuloka is divided into 3 parts, 1:2:4 proportions. The Bhubhaga, the earthy portion, the earth portion of the earth is of 7.14 crore yojanas, and it is in the center of the Bhuloka, and within that center, Mount Meru is situated. It you might have known by the previous lectures. Any small explanation here we are giving. Then covering that Bhubhaga, the earthy portions, then Tamo Bhumi is there. Tamo Bhumi means it is a portion of dark portion. There is no light at all, having a thick clay, sticky clay of material, very sticky material, dark matter. So something what our scientists are saying, dark matter. You can say it is a dark matter. Dark matter is not being seen, by not being felt. It is only being felt by some other mathematical calculations or so, whatever it may be. But we are not in a position to see it. But it is told that Ramabhumi is told in our scriptures that is a dark portion where is no sunlight, no light. Any type of sort of light is being there. It is, we cannot see it, but it is a fact. It is existing. A dark, thick, sticky clay type of material. It is of 14.28 crores yojana. It is double of that Bhubhaga. Bhubhaga is 7.14 crore, and this is 14.28 crore yojana. Very big, very big. And now let us go for the third portion. And the third and the last portion of the earth is called as Ghanodaka, the solidified great ocean portion. It is again double of that Tamobhumi. So it is, the Tamobhumi is 14.28 and this Ghanodaka is 20.57 crore yojana. So this Bhuloka is divided into three parts. One is Bhubhaga. The earthy portion of the Bhuloka is of 7.14 crores, and the next is the Tamobhumi, the dark matters. The dark matter, sticky dark matter, it is of 14.28 crores. And the next is the Ghanodaka, the solidified ice portion, solidified water portion, very hard. What solidified water portion is of 28.57 crore yojana. So this all together, these three parts, the earth is 1 lakh yojana thick, floating. It is portion, the earth is floating on the mighty ocean Ghanodaka. On the Ghanodaka it is floating, and it is covering, and that means it is holding to the edge of the Brahmanda. The edge of the Brahmanda, the Suvarna Brahmanda edge that is there, that is covering it. Totally covers the Brahmanda. Half of the portion, if we cut the Brahmanda into half, the lower half, totally this Bhuloka is covering. Now let us concentration on Bhubhaga, the earth portion of our earth only. Though that means 7.14 crore yojana only, let us concentration. Have a concentration. The earth portion is again divided into 7 dvipas, earths of ring-shaped islands. So it is again divided into 7 dvipas, earth portions. Also 7 mighty oceans of different type. The oceans is made up of different materials. Water, like this. Salty water, sweet water, and like this. The oceans are also ring shaped and surrounding 7 earth portions. So this is a wonderful thing. That is a wonderful thing. So there are 7 islands, dvipas, mighty islands of ring shape, and 7 mighty oceans of different materials. Now again we will concentrate on first dvipa, first island. It is called as Jambudvipa. First island is Jambudvipa. Covering this Jambudvipa is mighty ring-shaped salt ocean. Lavanodaka, Lavana Sarovar, Lavana Sagara, Lavana Samudra. Covering this salt ocean is the next, some different Laksha, etc. That remaining 6 dvipas are there. That you might already heard it. There many lectures it is given. Okay, now this we are concentrating to this island only. Let us concentrate now on Jambudvipa. This Jambudvipa is of 1 lakh yojana, that it has got a 1 lakh yojana. That means how much big it is. What is its area, like that. So it is, we will take it in yojana, that earlier the ancient records. Again this Jambudvipa is divided into 9 earth portions. It is divided into 9 earth portions and are called as Varshas. So Jambudvipa is divided into 9 Varshas. So 9 Varshas are, what are there? Just we will have Ilavarta Varsha, Ketumala Varsha, Bhadrasva Varsha, Bharata Varsha, Kimpurusha Varsha, Hari Varsha, Ramyaka Varsha, Hiranmaya Varsha, and Kuru Varsha. Like this 9 different 9 Varshas are there. These are divided by very Meru, these mountains. Big mountains are dividing these Varshas. Let us now take up the Bharata Varsha. It is important for us. The Bharata Varsha is at the extreme south of the Jambudvipa. It is extreme south of the Jambudvipa. This Bharata Varsha is divided into 9 sub-dvipas. Again this Bharata Varsha is divided into 9 small subsidiary islands. The Bharata Varsha is of 9,000 yojana. These 9 subsidiaries are, they are Indra, Kaseru, Tambravarna, Gavasti, Nagadvipa, Soumya, Gandharva, Varuna, and 9th one is Bharata. The Bharata Upadvipa, the small subsidiary island, is of 9,000 yojana, the total Bharata Varsha. The Bharata Varsha is 9,000 only. That Bharata Upadvipa is 1,000 yojana only. The Bharata Upadvipa can be called as our Mother Earth. The Bharata Upadvipa can be called as our Mother Earth. This is of round shaped, or exactly to say an oval shaped ball floating on the space. If we take the mighty Bhuloka of 50 crore yojanas, then it is flat. And if you take Bharata, a small, teeny portion of that Bhuloka, of that Bhubhaga, of that portion of the Jambudipa, of the portion of that Bharata Varsha, and of that Bharata Varsha, the 1/9 portion, that Bharata is a tiny portion of it, and it is an oval-shaped floating planet, our Mother Earth. We hope that doubt Earth is flat or oval-shaped. Doubt is clarified, I think. That means if you take the Earth of very, very mighty compared to the total universe, it is a flat. And if you take our Earth, what it is existing, it is a very tiny, small portion of that big flat Earth. It is a oval-shaped floating Earth, our Earth. Bhuloka, our Bhubhaga. To conclude, Mother Earth is a very, very small and tiny portion of mighty Bhuloka. So, our Earth is, what our scientists are saying, it is same thing. It is only a small portion of the Bhuloka. So, Earth is, no, it is not flat. It is round shaped only. What our scientists are saying, yes, it is agreed. To conclude, Mother Earth is a very, very tiny, small and teeny portion of mighty Bhuloka, and it is a oval-shaped planet floating in the, to say it is in the space, and it going around the sun. Okay, definitely going around the sun along with other planets, and this universe is very big. Dhanyawada. Thanks for this. Any suggestions for improvement of such type of discussions are really welcome. Let the suggestions be a sportive one. Thank you. Hare Srinivasa.